God bless you, my dear students. Today I am going to start the remaining questions of worksheet 4. So let's start. Find the value of x so that 3 by 4 to the power 2x plus 1 equals 3 by 4 to the power 3 to the power 3. 2 times power. Power of a power. Now here both bases 3 by 4 equal 2x plus 1. X is a known quantity. We cannot add, we cannot subtract. So let it be as it is. जैसा है वैसा ही इसको छोड़ दो. 2x plus 1. But 3 by 4 to the power 3 to the power 3. We have a formula. X to the power m to the power n equal x to the power m into n. Power and power, both powers are multiplied. So we can write here 3 by 4 to the power 3 into 3. Now it is 3 by 4 to the power 3 3 is 9. In the left hand side, it is 3 by 4 to the power 2x plus 1. No change. 3 by 4 to the power 2x plus 1. Now in the left hand side, base is 3 by 4. In the right hand side, base is 3 by 4. Both bases are same. The sign here is equals. That means whatever in the left hand side, that will be equal to right hand side. How can be it possible? It is possible only when their powers are equal. If their powers are equal. So we write here 2x plus 1 equal 9. This is called equating powers. Equating powers. If bases of both sides are equal, then their powers will be equal. Now solve it. 2x plus 1. Take plus 1 to the right side, it will be minus 1. Now 2x equal 9 minus 1, 8. 2x means 2 into x. So it will be x equal 8 divided by 2. Now here x is equal to 2 4 ja. 2 4 ja 8. This is the required answer. Now question number 2. 2 by 5 to the power 3 into 2 by 5 to the power 6 equals 2 by 5 to the power 3x. In the right hand side, there is only one base 2 by 5. But in the left hand side, this is 2 by 5. Again this is 2 by 5. Both bases are same but at different places. So first of all, solve this. After that we will decide what to do. First of all, we have to solve it. Both bases are same and we have to multiply. So power will be added. We have a formula. X to the power m into x to the power n equal x to the power m plus n. We will use this 2 by 5 to the power 3 plus 6. Both power will be added. And in the right hand side it is 2 by 5 to the power 3x. Now let's see. 3 plus 6, it is 9. Now both bases are same. Then their powers will be equal. This is written as equating powers. Equating powers. 3x equal 9. We can write 9 equal 3x or 3x equal 9. No problem. X is 9 divided by 3. 3x means 3 into x. So x equal 9 divided by 3. 3 3 is 9. This is the required answer. Question number 3. minus 1 by 5 to the power 20 divided by minus 1 by 5 to the power 15 equals minus 1 by 5 to the power 5x. Again, in the left hand side, first of all we have to solve so that there is one base minus 1 by 5. So do it. We have a formula x to the power m divided by x to the power n equal x to the power m minus n. Both bases are equal and we have to divide, so their powers will be subtracted. 15 from 20. Right here minus 1 by 5, base will be same. 20 minus 15 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side minus 1 by 5 to the power 5x. 20 minus 15, 1 by 5 to the power 5, and it is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 to the power 5 equals minus 1 by 5 to the power 5x. Both bases are same, so their powers will be equal because there is a sign of equality. It is written as equating powers. Write 5x equal 5. Now 5x means 5 into x, so it will be 5 divided by 5, and your answer is 1. Now question number 4. 1 by 16 into 1 by 2 to the power 2, and in the right hand side 1 by 2 to the power 3 into x minus 2. Both bases should be equal in the left hand side and in the right hand side. But here in the right hand side base is 1 by 2. In the left hand side there are two bases, 1 by 16 and 1 by 2. So first of all we will change 1 by 16 as 1 by 2. To the power what? Look here, 16. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. That means 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. So here you can write power 4. Power of 1 is 4 or 5 or 10. No problem. Whatever power of 1 is, it will be 1. Always 1. So you can write it 1 by 16 as 1 by 2 to the power 4. 1 का power 4 1 ही रहेगा, and 2 का power 16. Now this is converted into 1 by 2 to the power 4, but this is 1 by 2 to the power 2. We will not change it. In the right hand side it is 1 by 2 to the power 3 into x minus 2. Now which formula we have to use here? X to the power m into x to the power n equal x to the power m plus n. Both bases are same, multiplying, so power will be added. 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 2, and it is 1 by 2 to the power 3 into x minus 2. It is 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 2, it is 6, and 1 by 2 to the power 3 into x minus 2. Equating powers. 3 into x minus 2 equals 6. First of all, take this 3 to the right side. It will be 6 divided by 3, because here 3 into x, so it will be divided there. X minus 2 equal 3 2 ja, and again x equal 2, and this 2 minus will be plus. You got here x is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. Remember, my dear students, you can solve in your own way, but both bases should be same. Only then you can compare their powers or equate their powers. After that you can first remove the bracket or whatever you want by using appropriate formula, by using appropriate process you can do it. Now question number 6. Which of the following statements are ट्रू, इनमें से कौन सा सही है, एंड विच आर फॉल्स. वी हैव टू राइट बोथ. 0.6 to the power 8 divided by 0.6 to the power 7 equals 0.6 to the power 2. In the left hand side, x to the power m divided by x to the power n. The formula we have to use. So power will be subtracted, m minus n. 8 minus 7, it is 1. 0.6 to the power 1, but here it is 2. In the left hand side, 0.6 to the power 8 divided by 0.6 to the power 7 means 0.6 to the power 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1. But it is 2. That means this is not true. It is false. You can write not true or false. Now, 12 by 13 to the power 6 divided by 12 by 13 to the power 3. Both bases are same, so we have to use the formula x to the power m divided by x to the power n equals x to the power m minus n. 6 minus 3, 3. Here it is 3, that means it is true. The reciprocal of 7 by 5 to the power 12 is 5 by 7 to the power 12. Reciprocal means p by q will be q by p. If there is a rational number p by q, then it will be q by p. Numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. 7 is here numerator and here denominator. 5 is denominator and here it is numerator. So it is correct. Right here true. Now next one, 5 plus 5 to the power 5 equals 5 to the power 5 plus 5 to the power 5. In the left hand side, 5 plus 5 to the power 5 means 10 to the power 5. And it is 5 to the power 5. No, this is not correct. There is no formula of exponent like addition and subtraction like this, where we use addition and subtraction. We have formula for multiplication and division. So this is incorrect. False. Now 1 by 4 to the power 4 divided by 1 by 4 to the power 3. First do it. Bases are same. We have to divide. So power will be subtracted. 4 minus 3, it is 1. That means if we solve this, we will get 1 by 4 to the power 1. And look here, it is also power 1. So same number divided by same number. 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. Same number divided by same number, it is 1. But what is written here? 1 by 4. That means this is not correct. False. Next, 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 to the power 2. Both bases are equal. Look how we can write it as 1 by 7 to the power 2 and it is 1 by 7 to the power 1. Both bases are equal, so their power will be added. 1 plus 2, 3. Here it is. If we solve it, we get 1 by 7 to the power 3 and here 1 by 7 to the power 3. Both are same numbers. So same number divided by same number is 1. Like this. So this is true. Okay, my dear students, in this chapter, you will find after completing one time that you can do it in different ways also. So, try to solve in different ways, but remember, process should be correct. Okay, my dear students, I hope whatever I taught you in this video, you understood. So first of all, like this video and subscribe my channel if you didn't do it now. अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करो. थैंक यू.